Long ago, in a peaceful village nestled between towering bamboo trees, the people prepared for the grand celebration of the Chinese New Year. It was the year of the snake, and everyone was excited to honor the wise and mysterious creature. But in the heart of the forest, a small and timid snake named Little Serpent felt unworthy of the honor. Unlike the mighty dragon or the strong ox, he believed he was too small, too quiet, and too misunderstood.
I am just a snake. People fear me because I slither and hiss. What can I do to bring joy to the new year?
Little Serpent sighed. As the village prepared for the festival, a great problem arose. The river, which provided water for the entire village, had dried up. Without water, there would be no food, no tea, and no way to cook the delicious dumplings for the New Year feast. The villagers searched for answers. An old wise man stroked his beard and said,
The river's source lies deep within the cave of echoes. But beware, the path is dangerous, and only the cleverest and bravest can make the journey. Many strong warriors tried, but the cave was filled with narrow tunnels and twisting paths. They got lost, turned back, or became trapped.
Little Serpent overheard this and thought,
I may not be strong, but I am small and clever. Perhaps I can help.
Determined to save the village, Little Serpent slithered into the cave. The darkness did not frighten him, for he could feel his way through the winding tunnels. He moved swiftly and silently, listening to the echoes and following the sound of flowing water. After hours of navigating the maze, he finally reached the hidden spring that fed the river. But there was a problem. A large rock had blocked the water's path. Little Serpent thought quickly. He wrapped his long, flexible body around the rock and used all his strength to push and pull. Slowly, the rock shifted, and with one final effort, crash! The rock rolled away. The water rushed through the cave, flowing back into the river. The village would have water again. When Little Serpent returned, the villagers saw the river flowing once more and cheered.
Who
saved us?
Who saved us?
The old wise man pointed at Little Serpent and said,
It was the clever, patient, and determined snake.
The villagers no longer feared Little Serpent. Instead, they honored him. They decorated their homes with golden snake symbols and told his story for generations. That night, as fireworks lit up the sky and families gathered for the New Year feast, Little Serpent smiled. He had learned that wisdom, patience, and determination are just as powerful as strength. Moral of the story: true strength comes from wisdom, patience, and determination. Even the smallest and quietest can make the biggest difference.